In this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch mature content on your YouTube account. So if you want to allow mature content to be displayed on your YouTube account, it's pretty simple. You can enable this feature. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, go ahead and open your YouTube app, and from here go ahead and tap on your profile icon down below. If you tap on this, you will be taken to your profile here. Go ahead and tap on this settings gear. Under this, choose general, which is the first option, and then head down to restricted mode. As you can see, the restricted mode is on, meaning potentially mature videos have been hidden. So to allow them on your account, go ahead and disable this. And from now henceforth, the guardrails that were preventing mature content on your YouTube account will be disabled, and therefore you can now watch mature content. However, you're told this filter is not 100% accurate, and this setting only applies to this app on this device. So that's how you can watch mature content or enable mature content to be displayed on your YouTube account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.